Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. We are ready for takeoff.
Kansas City, are you ready? It's time to book your first look at the brand new single terminal at Kansas City International Airport. A new journey is about to begin, and you get the chance to take a sneak peek of your new terminal before it opens for travel, in person or virtually. The Kansas City Aviation Department and partners are excited to open the doors to the public during a special Community Day on Saturday, February 18th. Limited spots are available in person, and you must register in advance to participate. Or avoid the crowds and join us online to tour the new facility. Everyone can experience the new terminal. Visit buildkci.com for details. Following 4 years of dedication and hard work by our local workforce and unwavering support from Kansas Cityans, the new terminal is ready for takeoff. Community Day at the new single terminal. Book your first look now. Thank you, Kansas City, for your support.